DGP Wednesday. Where are we putting our clauses? Where are we putting our brackets? We got Jake with us this morning. That's good. Jake's present. In front of I. Which I? Huh? The first I. Okay. So bracket in front of I. Where does that one end? To soon. Okay. Jake, did they steal yours?
What?
Did they steal yours?
Kinda.
No.
Not really.
Do you have another one?
Yeah.
What do you got?
Before because.
Before because. Okay. Where's it ending?
After hungry.
You're partially right. The only hang up is because starts at I. Okay. Now, because is a weird one because it does wind up in our predicate above. But it still is not part of a clause. It's still combining the two clauses. This is a weird one. And the reason why it's weird is because we still are missing one more bracket. It's in front of we. Good job, Natalie. Okay, so we need 3 of these, right? So we're pasting them above, Control C over the box, and then pasting them above our boxes. Now, there's one that we need to show as a combined one. So from I all the way to soon, you'll want to merge those cells. So again, click above I. You can hold down Shift, right? And then click Merge Cells. If you paste your box in there, now you've got a new clause, or new clause box, I should say. Nelly, you'll just want to draw lines over yours and mark them, brackets as well. Okay. What type of clause is I am hungry? Independent or dependent? Nelly says independent. Who agrees with Nelly that it makes sense on its own? Who says it's a dependent clause? Who would rather turn this in for a quiz? Does I am hungry make sense on its own? So is it independent or dependent? Okay. Wake up. We can eat soon. Does that make sense on its own? You can just say we can eat soon? You can? Is that a complete thought?
It could be.
Why is it a complete thought?
Circumstances.
Yes, under certain circumstances. So if it's under certain circumstances, what are those circumstances?
They need to. Like right before you're going.
Oh, that they can eat soon? So you got to have the that there? You do, actually. You can't just say we can eat soon. You can say it. If you write it, it's a fragmented sentence. Fragmented sentence. So it's an incomplete thought. We can eat soon is an incomplete thought. You can say it, but it doesn't make sense. Because do you actually eat soon? How many of you eat soon?
I eat soon.
What's it taste like?
Soon.
It tastes kind of like soupy, but not
Yeah,
really.
so you can't eat soon. Soon isn't a thing. So this one's a dependent clause. It's not, but that's incredibly racist.
What?
She said that's a type of Chinese food.
It could be a type of Chinese food.
It could be.
Cool.
Like it actually
Join the
could
club.
be.
No, thank you, Jackie. Your reaction is appropriate.
How is that true?
Because you're just assuming that the word sounds as if it were a different culture. It's not. It's not.
I know that.
Okay, cool. So it would be offensive. We can eat soon is an adverb, or I'm sorry. Yeah, it's an adverb dependent clause. Now, if you take I hope that we can eat soon?
Are you stuck?
Yes.
He's stuck.
If you take, I hope that we can eat soon.
Screw my life.
If you take, I hope that we can eat soon, that's an independent clause combined. So this whole phrase, see what I have highlighted above here, winds up being an independent clause together. Because I hope that is not a complete thought.
I wish it was.
But I hope that we can eat soon is. That's why the dependent clause is here, but the independent clause is the full phrase. So you actually have a dependent clause inside of an independent clause. That's why we can't eat soon.
I didn't even make
Right. That's why I said you have to unmerge that box and remake it.
one.
Mm-hmm.
How do you unload the box?
You hit merge as well, and it will unmerge a bigger box. Okay? So we have two independent clauses and a dependent clause. Is that a simple sentence? Is that a complex sentence?
Compound.
Is that a compound sentence?
No.
Is it a compound complex sentence?
Compound complex.
Yes.
No.
Are we asking this as a question? Or are we giving a command? Are we telling mom, I want to eat soon, make dinner? No.
Kind of.
So it is declarative. You can't kind of do something. You either do it or you don't. Especially with writing. All right. Questions
I'm an idiot.
about Connie.
That's honest.
Hey, refocus. Get it together. Okay. DGP Wednesday. Hopefully